Birnagar, a small town in Nadia district of West Bengal, the land of renowned Bengali writer Raj Shekhar Bosu, is the perfect example of the ideal rural India. Situated in the lap of nature, amidst breathtaking flora and fauna, River Bhagirathi used to flow by it much before the British rule. One of the landmarks of Birnagar is Chatterjee Novel School.
Come, let's go. Follow me.
Come.
Hey there! Welcome to the world of Chatterjee Noble School. Bullseye. A school is a place that should provide learning and developing space to each and every student with the help of good educators and teachers. Chatterjee Noble School, CNS, was found on 4th January 2016 with a motto to develop the society around as well as the future of our students not only during their school lives but also beyond it. We started as a play school and soon, with the love and support of our beloved students and their parents, we developed into an institution to provide education to the future generations of Birnagar and Nadia. We say the students are our future, so we train them and mend them in such a way that they are ready to face any and every challenges that life throws on them once they leave the school campus. Here at CNS, we provide the best of the best guidance and teaching. Want to experience that? Then follow me. Excuse me,
Yes,
can you please let me know where is Chatterjee Noble School?
we are Chatterjee Noble School.
Oh, is it?
Yes, I am Nilava Shingo, going to be an Indian Army. Hi, I am Kaimala Roy, going to be a software engineer. Hi, I am Vibha Shingar, going to be a teacher.
Hi, I am Priyanka Mitra Mustafi of class 4, a student of Chatterjee Noble School. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor and treat the ill. My teachers are already guiding and training me with the discipline to what I want to be.
Mens sana in corpore sano. The Latin phrase means a healthy mind in a healthy body. Spread over a land area more than 3 acres, covered with lush green trees and various species of birds chirping and singing all day long. If you come and visit Chatterjee Noble School, you will love every bit of this landscape. The school building, the offices, the campus are designed in such a way that we have constant flow of natural air.
Teaching is a noble profession. When I wanted to become a teacher, I always wanted to work in an institution that focuses on the holistic development of a child. I have heard a lot about Chatterjee Noble School, but when I entered the school, I must say it exceeded my expectations. As for CBSE curriculum, the school follows modern and activity-oriented methods of teaching that prepare students to face any hurdles of life.
Here at Chatterjee Noble School, we understand the significance of extracurricular activities, which is why we undertake every possible step to make students realize that academic result is not the sole criteria to determine a student's overall performance in school. Keeping this view in mind, we offer a variety of events throughout the year, which includes events on drama and theatrics, elocutions, debates, quiz competitions, etc. to unlock the hidden traits of students' personality.
Connectivity is probably the most important thing in today's world. Chatterjee Noble School also gives a lot of emphasis on road connectivity. So as you can see behind me, we have our own school buses as well as different kinds of cars, which are dedicated in different road maps. These cars and buses are being handled by very experienced and friendly drivers, along with them attendants who take care of the students. All the students are being picked from their home and they are dropped at a common location which is near their home on the right time. We want the students to feel at home every time the student gets into our bus or our car.
Life skill, soft skill, abacus and karate. Chatterjee Noble School offers the opportunity to learn and apply these courses not only their academic years but also throughout their life, career and future. The courses make the journey from being an educated person to a successful person more interesting. We can assure you that very few institutions has these courses in their academics.
In Chatterjee Noble School, we offer day boarding for nurturing our gifted little ones with utmost care and affection in homely ambience, as we believe your kid is our kid. Our sole aim is to draw out their highest potential and develop healthy competitive attitude from the very beginning. That is the reason we have a bunch of supremely talented faculties to satisfy their curious mind even after the school hour. We strongly believe in excellence. We believe in making role models, not the crowd makers.
Dancers! Hi, I am Aditi Kundu of class 6 from Chatterjee Noble School. I am a foodie and I like to eat. When I will grow up, I will become a chef. My teachers are with me. Are your teachers with you?
Hello, I am Nilavo Shingo of class 4, a student of Chatterjee Noble School, as our teachers are guiding us on the path of our future. I am looking forward to be an Indian Army officer, and my teachers are constantly inspiring me to achieve my dream.
The school aims at overall development of its students. It follows modern CBSE curriculum and has designed excellent facilities for learning such as smart classrooms and computer labs. With the presence of projectors and screens, any classroom can be converted into digital classrooms anytime. The excellent infrastructure of CNS provides all kinds of laboratories to its students to promote application-based learning. For example, language lab, social science lab, physics lab, chemistry lab, biology lab, and mathematics lab. With a dedicated sports room, the school's keen interest in all kinds of sports provides the opportunity to the students of CNS to participate in several outdoor and indoor sports tournaments and championships the school organizes. The common room consists of several indoor games like carom, chess, table tennis, ludo, etc. The events committee of CNS and the house masters and captains organize various inter as well as intra-school competitions and house activities at the spacious school auditorium. The students here love to explore the huge collection of books on all subjects and honor at the library. A child's health and well-being is the priority, and thus CNS has developed a well-equipped infirmary and a doctor on call, along with a tie-up with the nearest hospital. Abacus is an easy and fast way to teach and learn the concept of mathematics. It teaches the students the technique to use both sides of their brains, which enhances their problem solving and multitasking skills. It is because of these features CNS provides abacus classes to its students. We can also learn from our surroundings and gain self-knowledge. Life skills incorporated by CNS emphasizes on the personality development of a child, making them wonderful human beings with a bright future. Very few among the best of the best schools in India think to the extent to include the much needed soft skills in their curriculum. Tying up with a much acclaimed training institute, Aspire Point, the school provides regular classes on soft skills from Standard 1 to Standard 10. The students are trained with courage and confidence to emerge as groomed problem solvers with a perfect attitude and excellent English communication skills to lead our country tomorrow. In today's world, it has become an absolute necessity for everyone to know the tricks of self-defense against any physical attack. CNS provides the opportunity to the students to learn karate along with studies. An educational institution imparts education to its students. But education is not only confined to textbooks. Here at Chatterjee Noble School, we encourage the students to go out and play the physical game, and there are several benefits associated with it. The first thing that we want to instill is that students nowadays are confined at home. It's very sad that most of the teenagers are engaged either in playing video games or in social media during their leisure time. But here, the students are encouraged to take part in all sports activities, which are equally important. Students here are provided with several sports options and facilities. Football, cricket, volleyball, table tennis, kabaddi, you just name it. Not only that, Chatterjee Noble School has formed a separate committee whose work is to do constant research and suggest the school that which kind of tournaments we can conduct. So we encourage the students to participate in several kinds of inter and intra sports tournaments. And I must say it, that students bring a lot of name and fame to the school by winning many such competitions. But yet, we want to instill this faith among each and every student to take part but not to win. Not only different kinds of sports, but our sports teachers and soft skills trainers train the students on several vital skills that are going to stay with them throughout their lives and that are going to immensely help them to build up a professional career. These skills that we teach through sports are team management, leadership skills, time management, handling complex situations, problem solving, leadership, etc. and etc. All these skills will ensure that your child goes to the apex of his career.
I, on behalf of Chatterjee Welfare Trust and Chatterjee Noble School, welcome all of you to our institution. KG to PG is our slogan. That means when your child will join our institution in the kindergarten, we will try our level best to promote that child into the postgraduate level, and we will make sure that he or she is competent enough to get her first dream job. We have good educators, teachers all around the globe who have come and they are trying their level best to help our child to build their career. We have soft skill, life skill, abacus as an integral part of our syllabus. I believe, being a father, karate is very important for all our child. In today's world, we believe self-defense is very important. That is why karate is an integral part of our syllabus. When I was a child, I had to travel about 100 kilometers every day because at that time there was no other English medium school nearby. That is the reason my parents took it as a challenge to make a school in our area. And that is why the school was being built. Today, I'm very proud to say we have students who are coming from other places because not to see the campus, not to see the building. It is because we are giving proper education to them. I am thankful to all the teachers, the educators who are helping us. I am thankful to all the students and the parents believing on us. I believe this school will have a bright future and it can only happen with your help. Thank you.